Hello.
Hiya.
Back out again to do a bit more detecting and mudlarking. We've come back to Hamble Point, where Jackie found the hammer coin the other day. She wants to have a go at trying to find another one.
Of course.
We're just waiting for the tide to go out, and then we can go off somewhere else for a bit of mudlarking. Hope you enjoyed the video. Come with us and see what we can find.
See you later.
Well, Jackie's just had this nice little buckle on the beach. Looks like a wartime small webbing buckle, or it could even be an earlier suspender buckle. It looks like it's got some silver gilding on it, silver plate. It's alright for a start.
Doing a bit of mudlarking now, and my first find is, where are we? Would have been a handle of some sort, and there's some gorgeous bluey white glass. Quite old because it's quite thick. It's just teeming with stuff here. You've just got to keep your eyes open and look for it, but I'll come back to you in a minute.
Right, we've pulled up at this place we were the other day because it was quite productive. And I was making a cup of tea in our little micro camper, which is a mess at the moment. And Jackie had 5 minutes on the top of the beach, and this is what she come back with. A lovely bit of rose coloured glass, rose pink. Not sure if that's showing up on the camera or not. These are normally silver, and I reckon it might be. It's just where it's been in the beach for a long time. It's the little band that goes around walking cane. I'm going to pop that in some hot water and bicarbonate of soda when we get home, see if I can get that back to a silver colour. Nice bit of older pot there. Several bits of patterned glass. And a couple of bits of nice blue. It's not bad for 10 minutes, but we're just having a cup of tea. Going to get the old wellies on. Jackie's got my wellies on.
I thought they felt big.
Yeah, a bit too big for you. And then we'll get out of it. The tide is still going out at the moment, so we'll be able to get past that area where all the bottles and that started turning up. Yeah, it should be good.
Okay, so what I found just now is some lovely blues, which are quite hard to find, and we like finding blue, and a nice little bit of pottery.
I've spotted a bit of blue. Nice little bit of blue. Another bit of blue. Do like to find blue glass. Chunky glass everywhere. Just at the top by the tide line. Just seeing what the tide's uncovered. Lots of clay tile. Bit of a stoneware pot. It would have been a big bowl or jug.
Okay, found some nice pottery there, which we'll keep and clean up and show you at the end. Whether I'll make something out of it, I don't know yet.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I
Looks
just
like a
do
rather
when you
thick piece of
say.
pipe stem. It is. That's a thick one.
Okay, excuse me, hope you can hear me. It's found quite a large bit of earthenware pot. There's not really anything on it, I don't think, but it looks like there might have been at one point. Nothing, no writing on the bottom. A little bit old for that, I think. This would have been a pretty pot at some point. Shame it's broken. Hopefully we'll be able to find something a bit more substantial later on. But I quite like that. I like the blue on the hips. I've got a bit of a blue glaze. No writing on it again, unfortunately.
See that laying down there in the mud? It's a marble. I do like to find marbles.
Here's my next find. Looks like a little porcelain knob of something, probably off a lid, I would imagine, rather than off a drawer. It's a shame it's not complete with the top, but I like that. It's got a bit of pattern to it. Clean it up and we'll show you it later. Found some more blueware. And I wonder what this would have been. Whether it be a lid or whether it be a little pot of some sort. Who knows, but quite cute. Oh my word, I said it, I said cute. Okay, there you go.
This looks kind of interesting here. Let's find out what this is. Oh, can you believe that? An old 90s, 80s cassette. We should remove that because it's plastic.
Okie dokie. Okay, I've just found this. Haven't got a clue what it is, so if anyone's got any ideas, let me know.
Oh, I just come over to where I was finding all the stuff the other day, and straight away there's pottery, broken glass everywhere, more pottery, some substantial pieces of glass thickness as well. It's everywhere. Still waiting for the tide to go right out. Bit of modern. More pot. Glass. Let's try and find something special. Oh wow, look at that one. Bit of blue. That would have been a big pot. The PVC guttering, let's chuck that up, we'll take that back on the way back. It's quite handy because there's a bin just up there, so we don't have to take the plastic home with us. That's a nice bit of old pot. Look how thick that is. Definitely got some age to it. The pattern's faded. Ah, it's just a sewer pipe. What's this one? Broken. Some more old stuff there. Remnants of a pattern on it. Oh, that would have been nice. Look at that one. That's nice. Well, I should keep looking around here and see if we can find something decent.
Okay, back again, and I found this nice little bit of blueware with boats on it, which I really like. Bit of an old bottle with writing on, not sure what it says, it may be hooch, I don't know. And I was well excited when I found that because I thought it was Hull, but it's a Pond's pot again. And I've just noticed here, this right at my feet. London & Co issue. Just found this, which is quite nice. It's got a bit of writing on it. Let me turn that around. Not sure what it is, but I quite like it. So it's going in the bag.
Somebody's dinner plate there. Part of an old dinner plate. It's very smelly down here. Is that clay pipe? Do you know what? I think that's bone. There's a bone of some sort. Nice. There's another nice old piece. Blue on both sides. Well, that's pretty. That looks like a doorway down there, but if you go up, there's a person at the top there. Can't make out anything on the back there, but that's cool. I like that. Should keep that. Another bit of blue. Sadly gone beyond recognition. That's a thick piece of pipe stem. That's really thick. Piece of old bottle sticking out of the mud. Jackie's down there, getting down and dirty. Ooh, nice piece of blue there. Nice flower pattern.
Here's a few more of my finds. I really like this one, really pretty, and also this glass one here. And I found some more blueware, and I'm not sure what that is, but it is definitely some sort of china, and some more blue glass, which I love. It's my favourite.
Here waiting for me. Can you see it? Bottle stopper. Barnacles in there. I wonder if they came out of that. Oh, a bit too much of a tight fit that. I'll clean that up and see if there's any detail on that. Right, I've cleaned them up. There is an insignia on there. There is some writing as well, but it's quite worn. I can't make it out. I'll try and find out what it is later. Another really thick piece of pipe stem. It's going to be a pipe stem day. Looks like a Pond's cream jar.
And crab.
Oh, and a crab. Shame it's broken, no? A little bit of pipe stem where it meets the bowl. Still waiting to find a bowl down here though. Ooh, pottery. A little bit of blue on it. It's just everywhere. The rock oysters are still living down here as well. Used to be part of the staple diet back in the day. I've actually just found the rest of that little Ponds bottle. So I'm going to glue that together and then we'll have a complete one. Right, it seems I found another bottle end with a stopper in it. And that's one of the all-time ones when they use less rubber. The tip's concave. Vulcanate stopper too. That would have been a nice stoneware jar. Still waiting for a whole one. Another substantial part of a pot. keep finding these, and they're old batteries. That's the centre core of carbon that went down and through the battery. Lots of them. Yeah, look, there's another one. There's a couple of nice little bits of pottery laying down here in the mud. It looks like it's got something on it. Oh, that's a face. Looks like an oriental face. Nothing on that side. Nice little bit of blue. Seem to be finding quite a bit around this little area. Bone, pot, stoneware, glass, and look at this. It's not whole. I've already pulled it out, but it does have writing on it. Mineral Water Works, Southampton. That would have been a nice bottle. Let's give that a little bit of a rinse. Look at this one, Jackie. This would have been a nice whole one.
Oh, I found that one earlier.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I just pulled it out.
Oh, okay. Maybe I didn't.
Did you put it back in like that then?
No, it must be
Oh,
the other
no.
one I found.
It says Mineral Water Works, Southampton. Just gonna give it a rinse and see what it looks like. Get the mud out of the middle. Look how thick that is. That would have been a nice bottle. I won't take that home. I'll leave that in the mud for someone to have a mudlarker. Just found another piece of pipe stem. This one's a lot thinner than the other ones I've been finding though. I should imagine it's older. Or a child. There was such a thing back then. A branded bottle. HH. Bright green. Right, found some more clay pipe. This still got the foot on it. And there's a maker's mark there. Unfortunately I can't make that out. Another mark on the other side, an initial by the look of it. We'll have a look when we get home. Got a button, not too old. Somebody's button. That's another nice bit of flowered blue. Look at this down there. Nice old bronze shackle. Brass. That's cool. Right, just come up to where this little stream exits under there, under the road. Just found another piece of stem, but look down there. Do you see what I see? It's a cob marble. That's fine. Now we've got to find the bottle. Alright, we're gonna call it a day, I think, and get Jackie off the beach. Had some good finds. It's been an interesting day, and we hope you join us on the next one. We'll see you at the roundup.